Niguo kuiga rekodi ya uria arutwo maraingira kirathi, arutani makoretwo kwa ihinda iraya makihuthira mabuku kana maratathi mutaratara uria gukorwo giteanirio wona mutambo mweru wa kiriu uria rahuthira thimu wetikirika mathukuru-ini.
That's the information we do and then you save.
Mutambo uyu mweru uria uikaine ta Biosim urahuthira thimu kuiga uhoro ukonie arutwo na kuhuthira mbica cia maitho ma arutwo. Muciari ni arihotaga kwamukira ndumiriri nguhi thimu-ini yake kumumenyithia mathaa maria mwana wake aingira na kiuma thukuru.
The guardian's phone number for the parent, and then we take the admission number of the student, so full name, we take the gender, current class, then we take the passport size photo. And then we take now the biometric. In this case, the biometric that we are using is the iris. And then you save. When you save, it says student information saved on phone successfully.
Thutha wa arutwo kwandikithio hihi nake mwarimu arihuthiraga mutambo uyu atia.
After selecting the roll call, he selects the class. So you're in class 7. When you collect class 7, you now scan. So the teacher comes to class and then scans. The student just looks at the eye. That's it. After scanning, it detects the student and then it pops the passport size photo of the student and the name, the details of the student. And then if there's any other student, you go next.
Mutambo uyu uthondeketwo ni honge citari cia githirikari ari njira imwe ya gutigirira aciari ni makuruhanio na githomo gia ciana ciao kuona riu ni marimenyithagio riria ciana ciao citanaingira thukuru.
Kwa hivyo tunasaidiana sana na wazazi kuimprove education kwa sababu kama mtoto kwa class tunajua pia ata improve performance.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mutambo uyu, mubunge wa Mvita Abdul Somad Sharif nioritie aciari kuhimbiria mutaratara uyu akiuga ni uguteithiriria kuhitana na ciiko cia ciana kuingirira maundu ma wikinae na kugacirithia githomo.
Wanatoka shule saa 9 wanarejea majumbani usiku. Hii program imeweza kuwekwa kwa sababu mzazi ni lazima aweze kujua maslahi ya mtoto wake.
Mutaratara uyu ukwamba kugerio mathukuru-ini 10 mwena wa Mombatha mbere ya gutwarwo mathukuru-ini mangi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.